And check these out. Carbon fiber hood vents. Can't wait to install these. Oh wow. These are so nice. Oh, I don't want to break anything. They're so crazy. Oh my god, these are so much nicer than I thought. Holy. That's it. They're putting in the fuel cell. I'm a genius. I can just put this up here.
When I was leaving the house, my boy kept asking if he could come.
I told him, no, Papa, not today. I don't know if I was going to be doing any cutting or not. I figured I can't have him around. He'll get stuff in his eyes like shrapnel or something.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Just send it. Worst case, I mean, you just have to weld little pieces on, right? That's the worst case.
Yeah, I mean, no.
But
no
if you think it's pretty aligned,
so
I mean, you could just cut. I mean, you could always cut like the middle hole, and then see if it lines from there. So before you cut the small ones, right? But if that's centered, then yeah, just go for it, man. As you got because you got the distance from there to there, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's right.
You see how they're all angled out to one side?
Yeah.
I was like, shit, hopefully I'm following the right ones. But, here. You wanna have me that fuel cell? If you can, please.
It's just so light until we put fuel in it. But yeah.
It's back there.
Oh. You got it? Oh, this is it. Where am I at? This here. Move forward. There you go. Yeah, it's perfect. You can push it forward a little bit if you need to, or a little bit back if you need to. You have a little, like 2 centimeters space forward or back.
You know what's gonna screw us up?
What? Well, we'll have to figure it out. We could. I mean, we could.
Yeah, that fits.
Wait, hold on. Pull it back. Just, there you go. There you go.
That fits pretty damn good. Yeah, these ones sometimes in the back we come out.
Yeah.
Where's the little spool wire? Let's see if I can rig something up, just kind of hold this thing in place.
I mean, we don't have to. Remember.
True. We used to have it on there so we put the glitter on there, remember?
Oh, yeah. You want me to hold it? There's most I can do is just hold the little ends.
Don't worry. That can work with the wire. That cable that's so that. Okay.
It's gonna be such a pain to like go through all these long videos and make one little video.
Oh, I know.
I might just make a bunch of like 5-minute videos and just story time of us just putting on a something, I don't know, figure it out.
Oh, these pliers are yours. I took them out of the box.
Okay.
Because I forgot to put them in mine.